Hello friends, good morning. Today we are going to learn how to install a switch in a car. You can install a switch for the DRL which you install in a car, or you can install a switch for the fog lamp, or you can go ahead and install the switch for the any other accessory you install in a car. Let's go ahead and learn it how to do it. So the connection for the DRL which is installed on my car is connected through the ignition key. To reach to ignition key to install the key, I have to open this music system so that I can reach to the ignition wire, and then I have to make a wire and the connection and then install the switch. So I am opening the music system here. It is pretty simple. Unscrew three screws, and then the moment you pop it out, you will see a lot of jumbles of the wire. Here I have to take out the antenna wire because it is a little small. Now this is a switch. I bought it for 20 rupees. It is old fashioned, but it does not take much time or much space, and we just have to make a small hole to install the switch. That's why I chose this one. And this is a wire which is connected to my DRL, and this wire initially was connected to the ignition. This is the red one. The red wire here is the ignition wire. So as you see in here, I have made a small hole, pretty small hole. This switch will fit in here. So that was the main reason to choose this one. There were a lot of other switches available, but I chose this one because it is pretty easy to fit in and don't have to make a big hole to install the switch. Alright, so this is the main wire which is connected to the DRL. One point of the wire from the switch I will connect to this wire, and the another point from the switch I will go ahead and connect it to the red wire, which is the ignition wire, to close the circuit. It does not matter whether it is the negative or positive. I'm using the coupler as well. Earlier the wire was peeled off by the executive, by the person who installed the DRL, but I changed this complete coupler, the white one which you see in the video, changed the coupler and made the connection. Now I am using this red coupler to join the wire, so there is no peel or no cut of the wire. That means there is no issue of the warranty. Alright, so many questions I get about the warranty issue while you install any accessories or the music system. Let me tell you, this is the main OEM connector given by the manufacturer to install the music system in any other car, and this is the one coupler. This is the coupler which we install to install the music system or any other accessories. In fact, the distribution by the CPU is done in such a way that a certain amount of power given to the music system, certain amount of power given to the headlight, and all the lights in a car, it is designated by the CPU. So the music system installed in a car is drawing appropriate amount of power, and that means it will not go bad. In case in future if it goes bad or something happens, if you think that company will claim that the warranty will be voided because you have installed the music system, or you have peeled the wire, or you have cut the wire, simply you can go ahead and disconnect the music system, disconnect the coupler, because we have not done anything on the main OEM coupler. We have not cut or we have not peeled the wire which is on the OEM coupler. So that's how you can save the warranty on a car in case if it is needed. So in the future, if you install any accessories or anything, and if you think that the company will say that your warranty is voided because of the accessory you have installed, be wise and always install the connector or the coupler so that you don't have to peel or cut the original wires. So all the modification you do not do it on the OEM wires or the coupler. The modification which you do on the wire or the coupler which you have installed. In future you can go ahead and disconnect that, and that's how you can save the warranty. And different people have different opinions, so a lot of people might not agree with this, and a lot of people may say, yeah, this is the way to save the warranty. And if you think that this is the right way to save the warranty, please like the video and write on the comment and give me your suggestions. And if you think that this is not the right way to save the warranty, please write in the comment why. Now finally switch has been installed. Now let's go ahead and check whether it is working perfectly or not. Let's go outside and check the DRL status of the DRL here. All right, so it is off right now, and it is on, it is off, it is on. So it is working perfectly. Thank you guys. If you think that this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and like my video. And thank you for watching. Next video is gonna be about the JBL bass tube and the amplifier. Till then, take care of yourself, be humble, be polite. Bye bye.